Dean, I'm going to show you an act of considerable clairvoyant skill here.
Really?
Well shuffled, you'll agree.
Yes?
Right. I'm going to put them down, and I want you to cut.
Okay. Done.
Again, make it even harder.
Okay, we'll take that many away.
Right. Now, I'm going to spread that out to make it even harder still. Right? All over the table.
Right.
Right. Now, I want you to pick a card. Don't turn it over, but before I turn it over, I'll tell you what the card is.
Well, I'll start with that one there.
That one there? That one there is the 6 of spades. Yep.
Is it really?
Try again.
All right, how about this one?
That one there? Oh, that's the 7 of spades. Yes, it is too.
I suspect something fishy is
Go on,
going
keep
on
going,
here.
keep going.
I'll take this one underneath there. Okay.
Ah, that's the 4 of diamonds. Yep. I can do it too, you know.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can.
I'm sure
I'll
you
take
can.
that one.
Yeah.
That's the 9 of clubs. Yeah, I've got them all.
Well, why don't you show them to me?
All
You
right.
can show me anything.
9 of clubs,
Yes.
4 of diamonds,
Yes.
7 of spades, 6 of spades. 4 out of 4.
Yes, but you didn't show me until the end.
No.
I suspect you knew one of them all along.
Yes, I did actually.
Probably the last one.
It's a very simple trick, and this is how it's done. You can do it with a little bit of practice. Not much, actually. When you're shuffling, all you have to do is to notice in the shuffling what the bottom card is. King of spades. When you put it down there, get the deck cut to get rid of
some
most of the cards,
yes.
and spread them out, but just remember where your bottom card is. Don't lose track of it. Remember, it's the king of spades, and I know it's there. Oh, actually, it's there. That's it.
Yes.
That's the bottom one.
So if I said that one,
Right, I remember that that was the king of spades, so I call this one the king of spades, although it's actually the 8 of spades.
so when I say this one next,
The next card I call the 8 of spades, and it's the jack of spades.
and the third one,
Third one, I call the jack of spades, although it's 8 of hearts. Then I go for the one that I know, the bottom one, which is the king of spades, and I call it the 8 of hearts. But I've actually named all 4 cards in my hand,
what if
although in the wrong order.
What if I'd started pointing to the king of spades?
I would then have dropped all my cards on the floor and said we had to repeat the trick.
I want to know.